Well, good afternoon from an absolutely glam day here on the Central Coast. I thought I would take advantage of this glorious weather and actually walk to the pub this afternoon, which, you know, I guess if you're all about fitness like me, not really, that's what you do. Meet up with the lads, have a couple of beers, have a few bets on the ponies, and generally de-stress from a week and enjoy myself. But the reason for this little walk and talk vlog, which I haven't really done before, is to sort of explain what I've been doing lately in terms of trying to find a video editor software. I've been editing for fun, my own stuff for years. I've used everything from Windows Movie Maker, Apple iMovie, Filmora. People that do this sort of stuff obviously recognize those names, but I settled on Capcut about probably 12 months ago. And for the first 6 months, it was fantastic. I paid for the Pro subscription. Remember that, because it will come in handy later. Just purely because I wanted to, get all the features, as you do. I got really good at using it, if I do say so myself. It's a very powerful bit of software. Fun fact, it's actually owned by TikTok. So I think that may be where some of the problem is stemming. Anyway, they've started turning off certain features, even though I'm a Pro subscriber. And to be honest with you, that is really pissing me off, and pretty much half the video community on the internet. If you jump into Reddit and have a look at Capcut, it's an absolute shit show. So everybody's in the same boat. So I've been looking for something new. I experimented with Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, and the free version of DaVinci Resolve. And I have made my decision. I'm going to stick with DaVinci Resolve, and if I get really good at it, I'll probably upgrade maybe to the full version, but we'll see how we go. I just thought I would get that down and put it out there in case there's people in my situation. Honestly, the free version of DaVinci Resolve is way more than you probably would need. You can actually get plugins for it, which will add effects and transitions and social media lower thirds all animated and all that kind of thing. Anyway, I'm nearly at the pub, yay! So I will sign off for now, and I'll edit this all up in DaVinci Resolve later. Bye for now.